there are basically two main items of importance. A, the plastic use, and then production from scratch keeps increasing, and it's becoming an environmental problem. Within less than 25 years, there will be more plastic in the oceans than fish if we continue like this, because it's not recycled, it's not collected, and it's not recycled. And right now, if you recycle plastic, you get lower quality. With enzymes, where it's important to find the enzymes that do this best, you can degrade. And right now, so the plastic becomes, molecular monomer plastic, and you can re-synthesize. Right now, in Europe, it's just reused to generate the same plastic again, which seems weird. Of course, we should maybe substitute with other things and then use the plastic degradation products for, producing other compounds. But the enzymatic degradation, no matter what happens next, is the key point. And that's where, luckily within the last only 6-7 years, so though enzymes turns out that can degrade plastic, they have been known for maybe 15 years, but only recently it has become, let's say, common knowledge that you can actually, by deliberate action, degrade plastic with enzymes. Of course, mainly one type of plastic, the one you use for, plastic bottles, single-use plastic bottles, but that's also one type of plastic which is on the rise. But that has shown that, it's possible for natural catalysts to modify and degrade something that humans have made. And that's a big conceptual new item.